Hello, welcome to Week Mix Plus. Yes, so today I'm here with another money making platform that's going to make your day. So if you are new on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Returning subscribers, God bless you. As we're going to be leaving your comment, your like, and do all to share this video for more people to see. Yeah, so today we're going to learn how to make 60 cedis every single day and also make 1,200 plus Ghana cedis in every single month with this platform I'm about to take you through. So don't skip a sec from this particular video. Watch from the start to the end if you want to get the understanding well. Yeah, so I don't want to waste your time. Let me take you straight to my mobile phone and let me show you this platform and how to make money for yourself. So we are on the platform right now, as I was saying. So as you can see, this is how the interface looks like. We have stable, we have VIP, we have activity. So the stable, before you can join this program, you have to buy stable package. That one lasts for 35 days. So if you buy 100 cedis, it will last for 35 days, and the daily income is 35 cedis. Total, you will get 1,225 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if you buy 300 cedis, the earnings today here. So the ones that you think you can afford and you buy. With this one, you cannot withdraw to that 35 days, so you have to buy this. It is compulsory to buy one stable package before you can buy VIP. So the VIP lasts for some last for 3 days. Okay, the first package I just bought will last for 3 days, and every day I will get 60 cedis. So now I cannot buy the same package, okay, because I've already purchased it. So it is running currently as I'm talking with you. So let me go to my home. So as you can see, I have 60 cedis to withdraw, and I've made 2 orders. 2 orders means I've bought first package. I've bought stable package and also VIP package. So that is why it is showing 2 orders over here. And the monthly proceeds, I've already earned 35 Ghana cedis. So I'm going to withdraw these 60 cedis to my mobile money for you to see how it works. Okay, so that's the first day. This is the first day's earning. So I'll be waiting for tomorrow's own. So let's go. Withdrawal. Ghana cedis. Okay. 10 times 60 cedis. Trade password. Then we'll use MTN to request withdrawal. Okay, so currently it is telling me withdrawal time is from 8 to it's from 8 to 6 p.m. So I'll have to wait. Currently, as I'm talking with you, it's 1:29 a.m. Okay, it is 1:29 a.m. So I have to wait, and I will make sure I do the withdrawal before I submit this particular video. So guys, if you want to join fast, get your money back on time. When you go to their Telegram, there are a whole lot of people earning from this particular program, and it's amazing. It's amazing. Let's check the real testimonies coming on board so far as this platform is concerned. Let's see. When you go to blog, you can. So with a blog, you see people's testimony, as you can see from here, and it is real. I'll be doing my first withdrawal today, so wait for me. I'll add that video to this one, and you know that this is really working, and it has been working ever since it was launched. So make fast and enjoy. So we back again. Currently the time is 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm about to do the withdrawal. Let's log in. Okay, so we've logged in, so we'll go to withdrawal. Just click on withdrawal, go to the home page and press withdrawal. Yeah, so from here you just have to type in the amount that you are withdrawing, 60 cedis, because that's the balance we can withdraw. Then you select your mobile money number, then you go to request. Sorry, I made a mistake with my trade ID, so I have to enter it once again. So when you're done, just press request withdrawal. Trade password incorrect, so let me try again. Then you press request withdrawal, then bam, application for withdrawal successful. So that is the end. When you're done withdrawing, you have to wait for them to like send you the money to your mobile money. Yeah, and unfortunately the mobile money sim is not on my mobile phone, so I will use my YAM. I will show it to you on my YAM phone for you to see that I just got the money. So as I'm talking with you, I've received payment. So let me check if that is the payment from the platform. So as you can see, payment received for 56 cedis because of charges. Okay, from Benote. Okay, so that is the withdrawal for you. So the thing works perfectly. Thank you very much for staying through to this end. So that be the platform I was talking about. If you want to sign up, kindly check the description for the link to sign up. Yes, make fast, because this is a new platform and this is a risk-taking platform, I must tell you. So invest wisely as you join the platform. Currently I'm making money out of it. Currently I'm cashing out, so you can also join. Make fast and cash out, because within 3 days you're going to get your money back. Within 3 days you're going to get your money back and also make extra money at the end of the month. Thank you very much. My name is Andy. See you on the next update. Bye bye.